Here's a new 2019 Cadillac Escalade. For a life well lived and every expectation fulfilled. And get ready for an impressive combination of features. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, power tilt-down heated mirrors, heated steering wheel, automatic parking assist, doors and push-button start proximity key, power tilting steering column, automatic transmission, hands-free liftgate, magnetic fluid-filled shocks, and heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. The Car Connection comments, while offering the acceleration and responsiveness of a smaller luxury vehicle, the Escalade offers one of the most comfortable, lavishly appointed interiors available in any SUV. To achieve greatness, one must dare to be great. Shape your world in a Cadillac. Driving is believing. Test drive it today.
Visit our website at edmorsecadillactampa.com or call us today.
For value